All right, everybody. This video is going to cover the last part before getting back on the road. All right. So I'm putting some gloves on because I'm going to disconnect the septic hose. We're going to pack away everything. All right, just to show you so you don't forget something. Maybe you're in a rush to get back home. All right, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to disconnect this hose we put on. All right, so just turning it, it will fall just like that. I'm going to put this cap back on. And then I'm going to screw this on. And as long as I empty the tanks, I won't have anything to worry about. All right, that's ready to go back. Back in our tote. Next thing I'm going to do is disconnect the water. And I'm going to leave the power plugged in until I bring all the slides in, and that's what we're going to do now. But the last thing I'll do before dropping the RV is I'm going to disconnect that power. So follow me inside. All right, so coming back over here, all right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do everything in reverse order of how I set it up. I'm gonna do it in reverse order. So if I went top down to set it up, I'm gonna go bottom up, all right? So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the air conditioning, all right? So I'm gonna turn it from cool to off, all right? I'm gonna turn the water heater off, and I'm gonna pull in this slide, all right? So I'm just gonna hit the retract button. Now I know I said when it goes out, I need to watch and make sure it doesn't go beyond that mirror. However, coming in, I need it to come in as far as it possibly will. So you just keep holding it until no more sound. All right. Now I'm going to come back and do the exact same thing on the master. One funky thing on the master is because we have a, I guess, more plush mattress. All right, it will look like it's all the way up against here, but you want it to just keep holding the button down until it won't push anymore. All right, otherwise you'll have a little bit of slide sticking out. All right, I'm gonna turn the refrigerator off, and I'm gonna turn the green button off. Now, I can go back outside. You're gonna come to your box here. All right. One thing I like to do is I like to disconnect, all right, before. That way I can make sure this 30 amp is off, right? So just like turning a light switch off, just turn your breaker off and then you can unplug. All right, so packing this up in here, it may seem like it's a lot of stuff to put in a tight space, but it's not that difficult if you put these septic hoses in there first. And then you're gonna slide the water tank. You're gonna slide that right underneath there in that pass-through storage. And then this will give me room to set all of my power cords right here. All right. Now I'm going to go back in and we're going to drop the RV. All right, so RV is started, parking brake must be on. Now I'm gonna go back to the leveling system, hold, push in hard the on-off button. All right, so if you remember when we started, we hit auto to level the system. Now we're just gonna hit the one button, retract all jacks. All right, and you're gonna hear a loud noise of like this thing is gonna start dropping the RV and pulling the jacks up. All right, after all the jacks are up, I go back and I hit the on-off button again. All right, and that's it for tearing down, getting ready to get back on the road. The last thing that we do, which probably not beneficial to you on a video, I go back, I pick up the Legos underneath the jacks if I needed to use them at my campsite, and then I go around and make sure that all the compartments around the RV are secured so they don't come open going down the road. But after that, this thing is ready to go. Thank you guys.